Meaning of erythrocyte.
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 Erythrocyte. Erythrocytes, also known as red blood cells, are the most abundant type of blood cell in the human body. They are responsible for the transportation of oxygen and carbon dioxide throughout the circulatory system. These cells contain hemoglobin, which binds to oxygen in the lungs and releases it to the body's tissues, while simultaneously picking up and carrying away carbon dioxide from these tissues to be exhaled from the body. Erythrocytes have a distinctive biconcave shape that allows them to deform and squeeze through the narrowest blood vessels, ensuring efficient oxygen delivery to all parts of the body.